Hey everyone! Tired of spending hours raking leaves? What if I told you there's a tool that can clear your yard in minutes? Today, we're counting down the top 5 cordless leaf blowers that will make yard work a breeze. From lightweight designs to powerhouse performance, we've got it all. And trust me, the number 1 pick will absolutely blow you away. Don't go anywhere, all the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Ego Power Plus Cordless Leaf Blower Kit. We think the best cordless leaf blowers should be convenient, easy to handle, maneuverable, and strong enough to move dry and wet leaves and other debris. Our favorite is the Ego Cordless Leaf Blower Kit, which features a powerful 670 CFM turbo mode that made short work of grass clippings, kept our yard clean when several trees lost all their leaves at once, and even blasted away some old, dry leaves that had been stuck behind our air conditioner condenser since the previous year. We tested this leaf blower at home to tackle tasks we had previously handled with a plug-in Ryobi leaf blower. With a variable output of 250 to 530 CFM, plus the turbo mode, we were blown away by how much more powerful this leaf blower is. We also love that we could handle our entire lawn, walkways, and everything else without constantly unplugging and looking for a new outlet. Number 2. Worx Cordless Leaf Blower. The Worx WG584 is a flexible leaf blower with variable speed controls, powerful airflow, and 2 batteries. It even includes a dual charger. We also found it lightweight and surprisingly quiet for the amount of power it provides. It lacks the raw power of our overall best recommendation, but it's typically priced at least $50 less, so we think it's a great value. We tested this leaf blower in our lab to see how it handles various common debris on different surfaces, and it cleared both dry and wet leaves in record time. It performed just as well when we took it home to test it in real-world conditions. Number 3. Echo 2-Stroke Cycle Handheld Leaf Blower. The Echo Gas 2-Stroke Handheld Leaf Blower is our favorite gas model because it's light enough to use without too much fatigue, easy to maneuver around trees and bushes, and has enough power to move piles of wet leaves effortlessly. We used it to tackle huge leaves, both wet and dry, in a neighborhood that's full of oak trees. We were seriously impressed with how it blew away all the debris from our brick patio that we had struggled to sweep and hose off in the past. One pass from this powerful leaf blower was all it took, and our patio was as clean as it's ever been. We also used this leaf blower to tackle dry leaves, wet grass clippings, and other debris around our yard, and it handled everything well. The powerful airflow is more than enough to tackle wet leaves, so we think it's a good option if you have a medium or large-sized yard with a lot of trees. It worked well on our wood deck and concrete driveway as well through 3 months of extended testing. Number 4. Ego Power Plus LB6003 Cordless Leaf Blower. Backpack leaf blowers provide exceptional power without excessive arm fatigue. While testing the Ego Power Plus LB6003 in the lab and at home, we found it light and comfortable to use without hindering our mobility at all. We also love that it features variable airflow speed with a comfortable joystick-style control stick. When we tested this leaf blower in our lab, we were so impressed with its speed and power that we had to try it out at home too. We used this leaf blower at home for about 6 months in a yard filled with 20 trees, and we didn't find much to dislike. It helped make fall cleanup feel like less of a chore, and sped things up quite a bit compared to raking. We also found it handy for clearing sticks, leaves, and even light snow from our driveway and sidewalk. Number 5. Husqvarna 2-Cycle Gas Backpack Leaf Blower. The Husqvarna 150 BT is our favorite leaf blower for big yards because of its powerful airflow, comfortable and ergonomic design, and runtime that can't be matched by battery-powered options. We tested one on 800 square feet of flat terrain covered in grass clippings and leaves, and we were impressed by its performance and comfort. After 3 months of testing, we found ourselves strapping it on once or twice every week to keep up with a variety of tasks around the yard. This is a powerful leaf blower, the highest airflow and wind speed of any model we recommend, which is why we think it's suitable for even the biggest of jobs. We were able to tidy our yard in record time with no issues moving even heavy, wet leaves, so it's the ideal option if you have a large amount of land with lots of trees. So, which cordless leaf blower are you grabbing for your yard? Whether it's the jaw-dropping #1 pick or the budget-friendly option, these blowers are total game changers. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you out, share it with your fellow yard warriors, and subscribe for more life-saving outdoor gear reviews. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your yard clean and green.